day, junkies. Hope all is well. Man Dullins here. Thank you, as always, for tuning in. Also, thank you. We launched not one, but two online stores. We launched the Junk Shop and the Junk Yard. The Junk Shop is more focused on clothing, while the Junk Yard is definitely more focused on masks, stickers, other campy items, and such. You're going to find the link in the bio. So it is hot as shit in Florida. I don't feel like cooking. I don't think anyone feels like cooking. I don't even feel like leaving my place to get something to eat. So I was in the Dixie earlier today, and I received a coupon for $1.50 off one of their rotisserie chickens, which you may or may not be familiar, are awesome. So I was like, all right, so we're going to take the chicken, we're going to jazz it up a bit. How are we going to jazz it up a bit? I don't mind buying something store-bought, but let's make a salad or a slaw to go with the chicken and put the shredded chicken that we're going to pull off the bone over the salad. So that's what we're going to do. We made a simple salad with a simple dressing. Again, any simple dressing is going to be pretty much equal parts of oil, acid, a citrus component, salt, pepper. So let me show you the salad, and then we'll go to the Dixie and go pick up our rotisserie chicken. Here's that simple salad we made, or a slaw. The slaw is a salad. So we got our cabbage, we got some avocado, we got some tomato, some onions, some peppers, and we dressed it up with some olive oil, hot sauce, a little bit of lime. So this is going to provide a bed or a base for our rotisserie chicken that we received our $1.50 off a coupon for. And again, this dystopian dining is all about that frugal lifestyle, but you also don't want to be boring. So that's what we're trying to accomplish here. So let's go get our rotisserie chicken. All right, we're back at the Dixie to get our discounted chicken. I know they're known as the beef people, but we're going to take advantage of their chicken repertoire, the coupon we got. So let's go get our chicken and see what flavor is going to go best with our slaw that we made. All right, here is the rotisserie section. We got a few different flavors. We got barbecue, mojo, and traditional. I guess the traditional is just salt and pepper, but we're gonna go with the mojo. So let's get it. So also real quick, here is the price that the $1.50 coupon is going to be discounted from. And here's also a really important attribute or quality of the rotisserie chicken. It tells you exactly when it was made. So obviously you don't want some shit that's been sitting here, from the morning. So make sure you read the labels always. And I like the whole no antibiotics as well. Makes me feel decent about myself. All right, junkies, we're back from the Dixie. You can see this is our amount after the $1.50 discount. So $1.50 from $6.99 comes to $5.98, and we got our mojo chicken. So let's get this out of the clamshell and get it on top of our salad. All right, let's plate this up. What I'm going to do here is take the skin off of our rotisserie chicken. I'm not very keen on skin. You may have noticed in many of the other videos, the dystopian dining videos, I take the skin off. If you cook it correctly, you know what you're doing. You don't really need the skin for it to remain moist. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the skin and put a bunch of chicken on top of our slaw. So here we go, junkies. I basically just ripped off the chicken like a caveman. We got a nice mix of breast meat, some thigh, some white and dark meat. I love it all, but I'm definitely more of a fan of the dark meat. But this is basically it. Like I said, that frugal lifestyle, got a coupon for rotisserie chicken. It's hot as shit in Florida. Definitely didn't feel like cooking. or even going out. So we took a bunch of ingredients we already had, the cabbage, the tomato, the onions, the pepper, the avocado, the Florida avocado, not a Haas avocado. Florida avocados are those big green ones that are seen in both the Caribbean and Central America, as opposed to the Haas, which are predominantly Mexico. So, as always, thanks for tuning in. Quick video. Also, thanks for visiting both the junk shop and the junk yard. We've already had a bunch of sales. I can't believe you guys are actually buying the junk, but whatever makes you happy. So keep on buying it, and please feel free to reach out with any comments, suggestions, or anything else that you think will make a much more pleasant e-commerce experience. It's a work in progress, as I've said. So take care, wash your junk, and I'll see you soon, junkies.